This is the last lab for this packet, number 2. It is on activity 2.12. It's on a circuit with parallel bulbs. Now, when we have bulbs one right after another, we call that in series. We kind of did the straw thing where we put straws one right after another. And then when we start putting them branching, we call that in parallel. So these two bulbs would be in parallel to each other. These two would be in series to each other, but these two would be in parallel. So we're looking at what happens to our compass deflection when we change the circuit a little bit. And we're going to also look at the brightness of the bulbs too. So this is the activity we're on. So I first have my two bulbs here set up, my two round bulbs, and this is what it looks like. You can see that they light up. I'm going to turn the lights out. So we'll disconnect and reconnect again. So there's the bulbs. There they are now lit up. Okay. Now I'm going to look at compass deflection, and on here they're saying we'll look at compass deflection up here in the top wire. Okay. So if I look at compass deflection, if I lay this on there, it looks like it's deflecting about 10 degrees. Okay. So that's with two bulbs that are round. So we've got two round, and they're in series. I got about 10 degrees, and let's see, I think that was counterclockwise. Okay, so that would be my setup for that. Now, I'm going to add another bulb in here, and I'm going to add it to this bulb right here, and I'm going to add this parallel to it, and then we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to look to see what happens to the compass deflection and also to the brightness of the bulb. So here is my other bulb. I'm adding this in here. This kind of gets cluttered with all of these wires. So here's my last one I clipped. Oh, notice how the bulbs changed? This bulb got much brighter, and these two bulbs look like they're out. Okay, now I'm going to look at compass deflection on this one. Oh, when I set it up like this, it looks like my compass deflection is about 20 degrees. Okay, so on this one I have two parallel bulbs with one round bulb. I got a 20-degree counterclockwise deflection. So that's telling us there's something different with resistance and what's happening in the wires when I connect something in series compared to parallel. I'm going to just disconnect this one. You can see as I disconnect it, that one they get dimmer. I'm just going to tap this on here again, like I'm connecting that one in parallel, and you can see the two in parallel go out, but the other one gets much brighter. Okay? So now they're asking you to fill out in what you think is happening in the wires. This is kind of a confusing thing because of how it's acting, but we will talk through it if you need help.